running rapper dancer of this group. So,
What's up, Blossoms? Hello, my name is Sad, and I'm the leader of New E!
Hello everyone! Magandang gabi po. I'm Maki of Fluid and I'm a vocalist and the main visual of this group.
Hello everyone, I am El, and I'm the main vocal of UE.
hi guys! My name is Wilson. I'm the vocalist and the performance leader of this group. Nice to meet you guys!
Hello! Okay, so ready ba? Okay, so that song was our debut song for yung pinaghirapan namin for over a year sa Korea. And I hope nagustuhan niyo yung kanta. Pero meron lang isang question. Sino ba dito yung nasa one-sided love?
Ay, sino ba yan?
Parang ang dami po. Nakakaawa naman po kayo. Pero this song is really for those broken-hearted. And dun po sa mga mag-isang nagmamahal. Marami po tayo dito, di ba? Kami po, bawal po kami magmahal.
Yeah.
Okay, so,
Hi guys! We also recently released a song which is called The Day We Meet Again. If you haven't listened to it, you can check it out on all the streaming platforms.
Korea for over 1 year para po makapag-prepare po ng debut namin here in the Philippines. Ayan, sa mga nagugulahan po hanggang ngayon, P-pop po kami. And we're ready to represent the Philippines pagdating sa talent, sa pagkanta, sa pagsayaw, at sa pagpa-perform.
syempre, promise namin sa inyong lahat, kasi nagtitiwala kayo sa lahat ng P-pop artists ngayon, nagdadali namin yung pangalan naming Pilipino sa global stages. Are you guys ready for that?
Tag for Senado! Wow!
Okay, for this next song, I hope some of you know this song already. This is what we performed during the finale of the survival show called Dreammaker. So if you guys know this song, please sing with us po. Would that be okay po sa inyong lahat?
Of course!
Okay, so without further ado, shall we start na ba?
Let's go!
Let's go! Okay, so with that, we're so thankful for Watsons for giving us this privilege to perform in front of all of you guys, our beloved P-pop community.
Yes.
So, let me introduce to you the kings and queens of P-pop who are literally paving the way for
New P-pop groups like
new
us.
P-pop artists like
Yes.
us. So, when I count 1 to 3, you're gonna say P-pop rise. Okay lang po ba? Okay. 1, 2, 3, P-pop rise! Okay, so once again, this has been
New